This is 2015 BMW 528 that's for sale. Tires are new. Brakes have been updated. Walking around the front of it. Now we're gonna go inside and start it. First, let's look at the interior. There is cracking right there in the seats. And that opens up. Car holder, that opens up. This is the rear seats. Let's go. Oh, and this open up. All right. The trunk. The trunk, you do have to, it pops. Whoops, really tough, but it does open. Here are mats. There's a couple sets of mats. Here is, let's start it up. All right, starts. You see the mileage, 143,814 miles. And so it's starting now. And let me do, you know what? Let me do a cold start because it was already, because there's a couple indicator, there's an indicator that does come on. Okay, it didn't come on. There's usually indicator that comes on because the sensor in the coolant tank is something going on, but it didn't come on at this time. But that. There will be a second video. You can see that shows some of the issues that's wrong with it. That's why it is priced at $4,000. And so again, the dash, there, and there, and there. All right, thank you.